FaithHeart-Jewelry.com is an exceptional online jewelry destination that beautifully combines craftsmanship, creativity, and deep meaning in every single piece. From the moment you arrive on the website, it's clear that this is not just another jewelry store. It's a brand built on passion, faith, and the desire to create timeless pieces that inspire and uplift. The site itself is designed with care, offering a smooth and enjoyable browsing experience with clear categories, high-quality images, and detailed descriptions that help you understand the symbolism and design behind each piece. What makes FaithHeart Jewelry stand out from so many others is its dedication to creating jewelry that tells a story, pieces that connect with the wearer on a spiritual and emotional level. Their collection features a breathtaking array of faith-inspired designs, including elegant cross necklaces, angel wings, shields, runic pendants, and beautifully engraved pieces that can be personalized to capture one's beliefs, values, or cherished memories. Each item from FaithHeart is crafted with incredible attention to detail using high-quality materials such as stainless steel, sterling silver, and gold plating that ensure long-lasting shine and durability. The jewelry feels premium and solid, and you can tell that a great deal of thought goes into the design and finishing of every item. Whether you are looking for something subtle and minimalist or bold in statement-making, FaithHeart-Jewelry.com offers an amazing variety to suit every taste and occasion. The personalization options are one of the most delightful features, allowing customers to engrave meaningful words, dates, or symbols, making each piece truly one of a kind. This thoughtful touch turns their jewelry into heartfelt gifts for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, and other special milestones. Beyond the jewelry itself, FaithHeart's customer service deserves high praise. Their team is known for being kind, helpful, and quick to respond, always ready to assist with sizing questions, shipping concerns, or customization requests. The brand clearly values its customers and goes above and beyond to ensure a pleasant shopping experience from start to finish. Shipping is fast, and items arrive beautifully packaged in elegant boxes that reflect the brand's commitment to quality and care. Many customers mention how impressed they are by the presentation, as the packaging itself feels luxurious and perfect for gifting. What's truly admirable about FaithHeart-Jewelry.com is the authenticity of its message. It's more than just accessories. It's about faith, empowerment, and expression. Each design embodies strength, love, and positivity, making the wearer feel connected to something greater. The brand manages to merge fashion with spirituality in a way that feels genuine and modern, appealing to people of all ages and backgrounds. Their jewelry can be worn daily or for special occasions, effortlessly complementing both casual and formal looks. In every way, FaithHeart-Jewelry.com shines as a brand that values meaning over trend, quality over quantity, and customer satisfaction over everything else. Whether you're shopping for yourself or someone special, every piece from FaithHeart feels like a treasure, a symbol of belief, hope, and timeless beauty. It's no wonder that so many customers around the world trust this brand for their most personal and cherished jewelry. FaithHeart Jewelry is not just about wearing something beautiful. It's about wearing something that truly matters, something that speaks to the heart.